Kenneth Kerubo Oigara, and in this video I'm going to share how I developed an online session plan on the topic classification of computer hardware. The video is accompanied by 5 interactive slides, and the major goal of this assignment is to apply the principle of constructive alignment in an online practical scenario. The session is also designed to build on the foundational knowledge on computer components. The first step is to define the intended learning outcomes, and this is the most critical step, and it's everything in this session. I came up with 4 clear measurable goals that the students should achieve by the end of the lesson. The first intended learning outcome is to define computer hardware, and then the second one, the students are supposed to watch a video on the classification of computer hardware and the examples using the link provided. And the third intended learning outcome is to discuss the functions of computer hardware. And lastly, through their attitude, they're going to appreciate the functions of computer hardware. Students are supposed to engage in different learning activities in order to make the learning process effective. So the first learning activity is to read through the reading material and then come up with the definition of computer hardware. The students are also going to use a digital device to watch the video on classification of computer hardware and their examples using the link provided. This is going to build on their digital literacy skills. And another learning activity is engaging in a group discussion, whereby they're going to use a discussion forum, and the students are supposed to post what using the question provided. This will build on their critical thinking skills and will make them to engage in peer interaction, which is vital in online learning. The final step in constructive alignment is the assessment mode. In order to check if the intended learning outcomes were met, the learners are supposed to answer a quiz at the end of the session. And if the learners score more than 50%, then I'll conclude that the intended learning outcomes were met. If learners score below 50%, then I will go back to the drawing board and see the areas that I need to improve on, plus the students. The resources required include the YouTube link, the online discussion, and the quiz. Thank you.